Howdy, episode 8 of the Rig Tour series. We got a quick one for you today. We're going to talk about the simple hanging table I have in my rig. I've had a few questions about this thing, so here we go. To make it, I cut a scrap of 1/2 inch ply, 24 inches long by 12 inches wide. Then I stained it with dark walnut to match the existing OVRLND Camper wood accents. Next, I drilled 4 small holes in the corners, just large enough for the diameter of my cordage. I picked up this paracord at a hardware store for super cheap, along with these 2 carabiners that are both rated for 10 pounds. I tied 2 pieces of cordage to each carabiner using double bowline knots. Then I put the tail end of the cords through the plywood and tied them off with a simple overhand knot. It takes a little trial and error to get it perfectly level, but after you do that, you're done. The hardware I use to attach it to the OVRLND Camper is linked below. And as you can see, it doesn't flip over on itself because of the 4 separate pieces of cordage. Now I don't put a ton of weight on this, probably the heaviest being my coffee setup. But if you wanted something a little beefier that could handle more weight, you could use larger static cord and bigger carabiners. I decided to make the table this way so I could take it off the wall and use it as a desk both inside and outside, or just store it easily. Yeah, so that is it for the simple hanging table. As always, if you liked it, like it, and if you really liked it, come along for the ride. A lot more videos headed your way. I'll see you guys next time.